Monroe Man again, coming to direct live from Bimini, Bahamas. Seagull Wars round 2. Most of the perches are free. Once the barge leaves, they should be coming back. We got a flew flying in the distance, and they will be fighting amongst themselves for the best perches. Francesca from Italy is coming down, and got one. Marco, there we go. There's Vlad from Czechoslovakia. We got more. Up there's the Frenchman, the famed Frenchman, Pierre. Is he gonna go for pylon number 7? Nope, he's going for pylon number 3. What about these guys over here? These guys are going, oh, they're playing on the very dangerous pylons. Out in the side, close to shore. Things have steadied. Things have steadied. Convinced there's got to be one more player. One more player out there who wants to participate. Well, I think they've all abandoned ship. If you look behind this boat, there's a sandbar on the water, and that's where a lot of them are chilling out right now. Up, I knew there was one more player. Let's see where. Kevin from New York. I don't know what he's doing. He's just flying in the distance and he's gone. There's about 27 players that are near the boat. They're trying to use the wind resistance of the boat to get a good round, so when they come around, they're coming in. Up, we've got one landing. Got a whole swarm. They're being a lot of rebellious now. They're playing outside the court. And it doesn't make much sense to me. I've been covering these games for many, many years. All right, they're flying, coming around the side of the boat, behind the boat. The question is, are they going to come back in the game, or are they going to be on the sidelines? We got 3 of them. Good. Jane. Fraser. Niles pushed off. Devlin is flying, and he's on the dock. He's out of the game. We got 2 more. Pushed off Fraser. Fraser, where are you going, Fraser? Whoa. Come on in. Are you going to get a free one? And he's safe. He is safe. Alexa's doing for the pushover. Great. Joshua is now sitting pretty. But Fred is going. Fred does not know what he's doing. He's in trouble. Fred is in trouble. Come on, Fred. Boom. Good. Got a few fights over here. This seagull goes into what? Seagull got one. Let's see. Is it going to be a push-off? Nope. Boom, and he's off. Another push-off. Up, he's on the dock. He is out of the game.